Master station is a designated location on a ship where all passenger and crew members are required to gather during an emergency. It serves as central assembly point for accounting for everyone on board and receiving crucial instruction from the ship's crew. These stations are strategically located throughout the vessel, often in easily accessible areas, and are clearly marked with signage and sometimes visual aids to ensure quick identification. Each passenger assigned to a specific master station, the location of which is typically indicated on their cabin door and in the ship's safety information. Fire alarm. Characterized by a continuous ringing, individuals should immediately proceed to their designated master station, bringing their life jacket. And next is general alarm, consisting of 7 short blasts followed by one long blast, signal a broader emergency such as collision or significant damage, and also requires immediately movement to the master station with life jackets. And next is abandon ship alarm. A series of prolonged blasts indicates the vessel is in imminent danger, necess- necessitating immediately evacuation. Passengers should proceed to their master station with life jacket to receive the instruction for boarding lifeboats. Man overboard alarm. Three long blasts alerts everyone to the situation and initiate search and rescue procedure. While passengers should remain vigilant, they should not interfere with rescue efforts unless specifically asked to assist. CO2 alarm. A distinct alarm often accompanied by flashing lights warns of carbon dioxide release requiring immediate immediate evacuation or affected are due to gas danger. Engineers call engineers call